I get an entertainment clown for the summer dance competition in Jakarta on July 6th?
Yes, I can do it.
Okay, we will wait for your appearance.
Funny, isn't it how people always love when I show up? Bright colors, big smiles, twerking around. But no one really sees me. Maybe this is where I need to be spreading joy. Even I have to hide my tears. I'm not just a clown. I'm human. I'm a hopeful person.
Wow!